Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're in the right account and the app is updated. This avoids deleting the wrong content. Open TikTok, tap your profile, then the Live tab where active or past live videos appear. Once there, identify the live video you want removed. If it's still live, you'll end the stream first. If it's archived, you'll select it for removal. Make sure your connection is stable so actions register immediately. If the video is currently streaming, end it by tapping end and confirming so the video becomes editable. This prevents partial removals. Once it's offline, or if it's already archived, open the specific live recording, tap the three dots menu, and choose Manage or Privacy Settings. From there, select Delete or Remove. You do this because TikTok separates active streams from archived posts, and deletion controls live and now confirm delete when TikTok prompts you. This permanently removes the live recording from your profile and archive. Once deleted, return to your profile and the Live tab to verify the clip is gone. Check on another device if needed. If deletion fails, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app. If problems persist, report the issue to TikTok with screenshots. Make sure to act quickly if the content violates privacy or copyright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.